Hello, welcome to the video lecture on operators. In the present video, we learn operators in C. In this topic, we learn about what is an operator, classification of operators, and types of operators in C. What is an operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical functions. The operators are classified as three types: unary operators, binary operators, and ternary operators. First, we look into unary operator. The unary operator is an operator that is applied on a single operand. For example, if you see A is an operand and the minus sign is applied to it, hence it is called unary operator. Next one is binary operator. An operator that is applied on two operands at a time, then it is said to be binary operator. For example, plus, minus, multiplication, division, etc. All these are the example for binary operators. And here an example is shown here. A star B, here star indicates for multiplication. So A star B, here A and B are two operands and star is operator, and that is applied on both operands A and B, and hence it is a binary operator. Next one is ternary operator. If there are more than two expressions and if an operator is to be applied on that, then it is said to be ternary operator. Sometimes it is also said to be conditional operator. Here, look into an example for ternary operator that has been given. If you observe it, within the parenthesis, there is an expression A is greater than B. Then there is a symbol question mark. Then again there is another expression x is equal to A. Then colon, and again there is another expression x is equal to B. Now in this compound expression, first expression A is greater than B is evaluated, and it may give two results, either true or false. If it is true, then immediately the expression following the question mark, that is x is equal to A, is evaluated. Otherwise, x is equal to B is evaluated. Thus, here three operators are involved. So, this is known as ternary operator. Now, let us go into the types of operators. As the C program accepts different types of data for operations, C compiler defined various types of operators, namely arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, and special operators, also known as MISC operators. Now, in the present video lecture, we learn the first three types of operators. There are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators. Rest of the operators are known in the next video lecture. Now let us come to the arithmetic operators. Generally, the arithmetic operators are used in arithmetic expressions where some numerical values are to be evaluated. Now, in the table you observe that three columns. In the first column, various arithmetic operators have been shown and the description is given in the next one, and in the last column an example is given. If you look into the first row, we have plus is an operator. Now we are using it as an arithmetic operator. In this case, it adds two operands, and in example we can see A plus B assignment operator 30. Suppose if A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20, 10 plus 20, that is equal to 30. So S30 will be assigned to A plus B. Similarly, we can interpret the same meaning for rest of the operators that we have shown here: minus, star, integer division, modulo operator, increment operator, and decrement operator. Next class of operators are assignment operators. What do you mean by assignment operator? An assignment operator assigns a value that has been evaluated in an expression on the right hand side of an assignment operator, and that value will be assigned to the variable that is to the left hand side of the assignment operator. Now here we can see varieties of assignment operators. One is ordinary equal to symbol, which is not equal in the case of C programming. It is only assignment. It assigns right hand side to left hand side. And then we are seeing some special type of assignment operators: plus assignment operator, minus assignment operator, star assignment operator, and slash assignment operator, and so on. Now, what it means is that in the first case of single assignment operator, C assignment operator A plus B is an expression. A plus B is the right hand side of the assignment operator, and C is the LHS of the assignment operator. First, A and B values are taken, and the plus operation adds the values, and that value will be assigned to C. So this is called simple assignment operator. Then we can see the complex assignment operators, where two operators are assigned adjacently. For example, if you see plus assignment operator, it has some logical meaning, and its meaning is C assignment operator C plus A. That means the value of present value of A and the previous value of C, both will be added together and again assigned to C itself. For example, in the previous calculation, suppose we got C is equal to 30, and now presently A is equal to 10. C plus equal to A means previous value of C, that is 30, and present value of A 10. So current value of C is equal to 40. And the same rule is implemented for all other assignment operators. And these are also another set of assignment operators that we are seeing. Logically, meaning is same, but only whenever the operator changes, that operator meaning is implemented in the expression. Now, another type of operators are known as relational operators. These relational operators relate two operands. That is, two operands are compared together. After comparison, the difference is obtained, and based upon that, a decision is taken, and that decision may yield either 2 or 3 values. In some cases, it is 2 values, true or false, yes or no. In some cases, it may yield 3 values like a positive value, a negative value, and 0, depending upon the context. Now here in this table, we have shown different relational operators equal to. So here two assignment operators are kept one after another. Then this combined is treated as equal to symbol. If A is equal to B, there are two options. Either it may be true or maybe not true. Similarly, not equal to, greater, lesser than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So thus, these are all known as relational operators. So thus, in the present video, we have learned what do you mean by an operator, what is the classification of operators, types of operators, In the types of operators, we learned arithmetic operators, assignment operators, and relational operators, where other operators are learned in the next video. Thanks for using the content from www.tutorialspoint.com. Thank you.